So here's our query we ran earlier. Select top one name from colour. But what if I did this? What if I, as an Australian, spelt colour the way I normally spell colour? Let's run this. Invalid object name, colour. And in fact, we can see that colour now has syntax highlighting that clearly indicates something is wrong, as does the column called name. And SSMS is obviously telling us that there is no table called colour, and consequently it doesn't know what this column is called name. But the really important bit here, and this is what we're going to start really relying on for our SQL injection attacks, is the error message, that invalid object name, because that's actually telling us something about the database. If we could get our web application to run a query like this and return that exception, we, as external users with our attacker hat on, would know that there is no table in the database the web application is connecting to called colour. Now that might not sound like a particularly useful piece of information, but this is the gateway to extracting all of the data out of the system. The fact that the system is actually leaking an internal implementation. And as you'll see throughout the remainder of this course, if we ask the database the right questions, by virtue of the untrusted data we submit to the web application, we will get answers that allow us to do very malicious things by exploiting the risk of SQL injection.